Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to connect WhatsApp web to your smartphone. Why would you want to know how to connect WhatsApp web to your smartphone? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp web and not sure how to connect WhatsApp web to your smartphone. So today I am going to show you how to connect WhatsApp web to your smartphone. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Connecting WhatsApp web to your smartphone is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will connect WhatsApp web to your smartphone. First of all, open WhatsApp web in your device, and now here is my WhatsApp web home screen. Now first open WhatsApp on your mobile device and then tap on three dots in the right top corner and click on linked devices, and now click on link a device and then scan QR code, and now your WhatsApp has been connected with your smartphone. So there you go. If you were wondering how to connect WhatsApp web to your smartphone, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.